It's time to set up my planners for the changing season, be it the summer to fall or the start of the new academic year. And I'm also doing my pre planning here. So if you would like to see how I'm doing it this time, stick around. Hello, everybody. This is Priya here. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning. And if this is the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Here, I share tips, ideas, and inspiration to make your planner and journal spreads pretty and functional. So, it is again this change of the season. We are switching from summer to fall. Not quite, we have a few more weeks. But I like to do the switch at the start of September because my academic year starts around the end of August. So it is a nice time to look at 2 or 3 months ahead. And this way I can have things ready for the next 2 to 3 months. And I usually like to switch things up a bit. As you can see, I have a different set of discs that I will be using, and I had picked this up. It is this pumpkin one, and I had picked this up last year during the Black Friday. It was still in stock. I believe this is still in stock. It was quite popular, and this I think is coming back. They're getting more cute stuff. I saw the sneak peek of a pink ghost. So I will have the timestamps for the two things I'm doing here today. So let's first switch out the discs and the months. I am making some small changes. I'm switching to a new layout for September, and I will talk a bit more about that, but let's get started. And as you see, this is the disc I have out. And for the cover, I have this Jess Miller big teacher layout cover that I had picked up this planner for my friend, and she did not quite like the cover, so I switched it out for a different one, and I had actually in fact loved this cover, so I'm glad I get to keep it. So I usually gift her a planner for the academic year because she has 2 kids and she has a lot going on. And let me just move the first initial set of pages that are more the personal stuff, the medical stuff, and all of that. So I'll meet you right after that. This feels much thinner than the older Happy Planner discs. I have to be very honest because this was the first time I had taken it out of the package. It was just sitting there on my pegboard, and I was hanging it on one of those stretchy strings. So that is all the personal pages, sensitive data all transferred, and I also have a couple of these daily sheets at the back. So now we are all set to add the pages. So for the monthly layout, this is the monthly layout, and I will show you what the layout is. I'm sure you've seen enough flip throughs and plan with me. I do have a full playlist on decorating the monthly layout. So this is September and October. I'm not moving more than that. October, I'm moving the monthly layout. I use this for my social media. And this is September. And next comes the catch-all. I've been using the vertical layout. These are all in the big sizes. So I'm switching to the checklist layout for September to see if this would be a good layout for me, because this is the Missmaker one. I had it in my stash. I had started using it in January, but then I realized I do not need it. I did not really need it. So that is from my stash. And I will be trying to see if this would be a layout that I could use for 2025. Yeah, it's unbelievable. We are already thinking about, at least I am thinking about my 25 lineup. So these checklists in the middle, I think that can be really utilized for the functional look it has. I thought I will just dip my toes and see how I can decorate it, how I can use it, and check out how functional it is. So that is the September. I'm moving just September, and this is the September month at a glance, all ready to go. And this is Martinez Sticker Company and some back to school goodies, keeping it purely functional, because this is the space where I have my full calendar laid out for the family. And I'm not sure if the video is out, but if not, it will be. It is coming. I will link it here. It is all uploaded and ready to go. I'm not sure what order the videos will be airing. That's the only thing. So this is the checklist layout, and I'm adding only the month of September for now. So here you also get to see a couple of the spreads I've already done before we get into the actual pre-planning process. So this is the September, and moving on to the pre-plan process now, I will also share a sneak of my September monthly layout, which I use for my social media. So again, the plan with me is coming, if not up. And this is entirely everything except for these 3 elements are all from Martinez Sticker Company. And you can use my code Priya15 for anything at Martinez Sticker Company and my freebie. The link to the shop is down in the description. And for this one, again, the Martinez Sticker Company and the washi tapes are from Planything. Priya 10 earns you 10% at Planything, and now they have the pre-order for the advent calendars that are open, and my code works on that as well. So except for the subscription boxes, the code applies on everything. So that is a quick sneak, and let's get to the pre-plan process now. And I have done it slightly differently this time. Yes, here it is. So this is the currently, as we call it in the planner world, for September. So here I have laid out all the spreads I need to do for the month, and I also have so these are the weekly ones, and these are the monthly things that go on. So I just use some older functional boxes from the Pastel Mega sticker book. I do have these megas, and since these are a few years old, the stickiness is starting to go. So in some places I can already see the sticker starting to curl up. For the monthly layout, you already saw that I decorated the Squad Girls, and this is the Martina Sticker Company August release that will be coming on August 30th. Depending on when you see this video, August 30th is when the new release drops at Martina Sticker Company. So that is coming. Month at a Glance also, you saw the Martina Sticker Company, and these are some of the older stickers. And next I have the two Laurel Denise planners that are very much in use. So this is the Laurel Denise, the portrait planner, and this is the horizontal one. So let me just show you quick how functional it is. So this is how the month looks, and these are the daily to-dos, and this is quite functional. And you also get to see how I've been using it in August. So this is for my son's school, and I had used the Martina Sticker Company, and this is so far how the month has been going. So this is the portrait planner, and the Laurel Denise fall release is happening on September 4th. And my code Priya10 works on Laurel Denise as well. You can use them over and over again. And they're coming out with more portrait planners because they were so popular. They sold out in no time. And this is a Monday start because you do have the option of, as you can see, this is a Monday start. You do have the option of a Sunday start or a Monday start. So this was slightly different. My brain was confused a bit in the beginning because we are all used to seeing the Sunday start calendars. And now I think I've gotten used to this. I wanted to try this. So here is a Monday start. And next is the Laurel Denise horizontal one. And this is the layout. It's hard to fit it in frame since it goes lengthwise like so. And this is again purely functional. And here is how my August has been going so far. So this is really a very functional space for me. As you can see, I track my workout and my sleep, and this is where my workout goes. More details on that. And my meals, this focuses on wellness and nutrition, and I have a few things, some ideas for meals and the priorities I have, all of those with a lot of habit trackers. And I'm really getting into the intermittent fasting just as a detox. So no other reason for that. So it's been working great. Again, lots of planners coming. And I do have a video on the sneak peek. Yeah, the preview is live on the Laurel Denise website, so you can definitely check that out. I will have that video here. And the release is on September 4th. So the portrait planner, I do not have the Planything sub box, which will be here soon. So I will be using that. I will have a picture here. And for the horizontal one, I have the summer houses, which I would like to bring in because all the way up until the last week of summer, I would love to use the summer stickers because there are a lot in my stash. So lots more to come. I have not really used much of these ones. I did use this in a monthly layout spread, and this I had used in the portrait planner. So lots of summary goodness in here, and I would love to bring in more. So that's the summer houses. With the horizontal, there is not much space. That's the only problem. The creative journal, so this is my August creative journal. This was part of the YouTube collab loop group. I had used some distress oxides. Birds were the theme, so I went with some washi PET stickers from the washi tape shop, and the functional circles and the alphas were from Planything. And for the September, the theme is fall. There are some of these washi flakes, and these are definitely, let me just take this out. it is really very decorative. So this is the under romantic lighting, and this is the fall leaves and colors and with lights. So it's really pretty. So it doesn't add bulk. So I love to bring those in my, especially in my journals, because unlike the discount system, you cannot add it onto bigger discs once it starts getting bulky. And this is the other one. This is under romantic lighting. Again, these are the fall leaves with stars and lights, perfect for small scenes that you can make. And there are multiple designs in here, if you can see. So this is Journal Say. Seasonal scenes at K-Aesthetic Plans. They do have some gorgeous fall scenes. I might bring in a few lots of these scenes which we can use. And yeah, lots of these fall rain and all the nature, the gorgeous changing colors, the spices, the farms and the pumpkins and the haystacks, all the fall things that you can imagine, you can see. So that is the creative journal. And for the catch-all, I have the Boho Dreams Volume 2 from K-Aesthetic Plans. I'm still awaiting that. I'm hoping it will get here soon. So that will go on the first week. Skinny Classic, I can go with the Hidden Jungle or the seasonal scenes. The Hidden Jungle also, I can bring in some of these smaller elements, smaller scenes, and there are lots of these birdies and so much cute stuff in here. I have not used them much. I have to be really intentional about bringing all of these in. So that would be the seasonal scenes or the Hidden Jungle. I will mostly go with the Hidden Jungle because I could use the seasonal scenes for my creative journal. And the next one is the next week. I have the summer elements, and there is, I have used this one, and I would really like to do a spread with this. I've not used much. I did use it in my travel journal and also my currently some of the smaller ones I did use. And that is second week. And the next one for the Skinny Classic would be Martinez Sticker Company fall release. So you get to see a sneak peek of the releases coming. So this is the August release. You will see multiple sheets, multiple colors and multiple sizes, I mean. So I did print them out. As you can see, I've used some of these. So that has quotes, boxes, decorative elements, the florals, the clusters, and these roses, I in fact printed them on clear and paper. And if you are ever on the lookout for nice sticker paper to print your printables in, I have them linked down below. And this was my printer running out of ink, so it was out of black, so it printed blue. And these are all the stickers coming. As you can see, I have used up a lot in the couple of spreads I showed you, so more of that will be coming. So that is the August release. This is the last week of summer. So I want to bring in the ocean views. I've not really done an ocean scene this time. So I do have some of these underwater scenes. And yeah, I did use it in my journal and my travel journal, but nothing in my actual planner this year. So I would like to create an underwater scene. Usually I religiously do it, but this time I haven't gotten to. And for the next one, there is some more. So For this, I'm thinking of doing the Ariel, the Disney Ariel, the mermaid. I've not really done anything, so I'm just trying to, yeah. So this is the Little Mermaid, and I could use it as such. I will have to see. And for the functional boxes, I can always bring in the functional boxes from Mojo Jojo plans that always come in handy, and these come in handy for the redating and the decorative dating that we all like to do. So on to the last week of September, the August sub box, which is not quite here. I'm thinking of doing something fall related because this is technically the first full week of fall. And for the Skinny Classic, I want to bring in something in the seasonal days. There is some fall related ones, cute ones. And there is also this Cozy Autumn, which was from last year. And the seasonal stick babe, which I will be using for the last week of September. On to October now. Again, I went with a similar format, and I will try and see how well this looks, because I'm pretty heavy-handed when it comes to writing, and the whiteout has been used extremely well, as you can see. So I will link this also if you want to pick it up. For the month at a glance, I will use this lined roses and the Distress Oxides. For the monthly layout, I'm thinking of using this Home Tweet Home from Let's Plan with Sarah. These are printable, so I printed them in a couple of sizes. So these birdies are in different sizes. So this is Home Tweet Home. Next, I do have the Stick Babes again for the Laurel Denise Portrait Planner. And we also have, in addition to these two I just showed you, we also have these houses and trees from Planything. So all of that can be brought in. The portrait one, the problem is there is very limited space, keeping in mind the function that I intend to have it for. So the smaller elements like these will work great. So that is why I have that sorted. For the horizontal, I have these two older Halloween ones. I'm sure there are newer ones that might come out. If not already, I know the fall one, I'll have the picture up here. That was, as of the day of filming, that was still available to purchase. So this is the older one. And I'm not really a spooky Halloween kind of person, so the pets in costumes look adorable. So that was what I did last year. And then comes the Creative Journal, which is again the Planything, all the Planything sticker books, the Distress Oxides. I do have some of these tree houses, which I had used in one of my journal threads, and it looks like this. So it is like a beautiful fall scene. So different, we have two of each design. So that's like a tree house with a swing and all sorts of details in here. I have this, and I also have, so these are washi flake stickers, including all the leaves that are up in the air. Can you see that? Yeah, so many details on there. And the next one is this Jungle Book scrapbook paper. So these are some of the cute fall scenes that I could use as such or cut out, or the possibilities are endless. So these are, again, these are all from Journal Say. And for the next theme, it is candy. So I thought I would just combine it in my creative journal. You might see it as two different videos. So this one, the Halloween vibes from last year, they do have some candy and all sorts of cutesy stuff. So that might come in handy. And on to the weekly spread. So this is the first week of October and the last week of September. So this is the week where we will be having an event for honoring my Eagle Scout. So I thought I would bring in this Martinez Sticker Company. These are the camping ones in black and white. So these were printables from a couple of years ago. I believe this is still in stock. So these will come in handy. I will combine it with the Martinez Sticker Company. There will be a September release that will have happened by the time this week rolls around. So that will be used. And the next one, so there is the World Smile Day on the 4th, and there is a Taco Day, which is on the same day. So these two sticker books, one of the very first ones I had bought as a planner, the tacos in here, I could bring those in. And also we do have lots of smiles here. I could do something here with that. And this can also be used for the cupcakes. With this one, I will also get to that, but we do have some cupcakes here. So that is the first week. And next comes the fall elements. It is this book from Live Love Posh. These scenes, and there are also these scenes. Might go for these. Mental Health Day is on the 10th. So this will definitely be taking care of yourself kind of vibes I'm going for. So this will be the Mental Health Day in the catch-all, and the same day we have the Handbag Day. And this book also has lots of these multiple handbags, different styles, different fall decor that will go with it, and different fall attire. And next we have the happy illustrations, or we could use the Halloween vibes. And again, there are all of these cute cupcakes. It's a chocolate cupcake. All of these look like chocolate cupcakes with their purple frosting, and the frosting is different, but looks like they're all chocolate cupcakes. And there is also the happy illustrations, which have cupcakes, along with these doggies that are part of the PET tape from Wrong and Michelle. So this was their collab. And for the Skinny Classic, it is the Dictionary Day on the 16th. So I will use these fun alphabets. I will see what I can do. I might come and spell something, I don't know, with some fall leaves and flowers and all the decor. And it is the Count Your Buttons Day. So these Miss Maker ones have lots of buttons in them. So I have these ones. Yeah, these seem to be the perfect color. So these would be the 21st to 27th. Next, I will have the Essential Seasons. Essential Seasons for the fall. It is this one. And for the Jess Miller, we also have, I might combine these, I don't know. We have some of these in the decor, so I will combine that. Martinez Sticker Company, I know there is a fun release coming for Halloween. So those will be used because this is the Halloween week. I will use that in conjunction with all of these Gothic. I'm not sure about this one, but the others can be used. Look at all these alphas. Look at all that. The only downside is there is only one of each. So let's see. So this is J. Look at all those details. It looks kind of spooky. This with the skull, I'm not sure. Yeah, these are all from Journal Say. It's the Candy Corn Day. So unless there is something else coming, There are some of these candy. Yeah, I thought this had it, but looks like not. So maybe I think I used them all up. Let me know in the comments if you pre-plan and how good you have found that to be. But it is nothing written in rock, so I can always come and switch things out when things come up. If you like today's video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification if you haven't already. It helps out with the growth of my channel. And please come hang out with me on Instagram, where you can see lots more spreads. Even if they don't necessarily get a YouTube video, they will definitely show up on my feed. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.